Write R.V. Kelly case notes with me. First, I'm writing down a title, what is property and what are property relationships, highlighting it and putting it at the top. Next, I'm going to write an overview, which is exploring the fundamental question of what property is and the related issues regarding it. Start off with the basic facts, which is it happened between 1992 and 1994, where Kelly had access to the Royal College of Surgeons' anatomical specimens, and Lindsay, a junior technician, had helped Kelly remove preserved human body parts. In the trial, both men were charged with theft under the Theft Act 1968, and Kelly received 9 months imprisonment and Lindsay 6 months and was suspended for 2 years. Moving on to issues on appeal, there are 3 issues on appeal, which are property, possession, and judicial directions. The issue with property is, could human body parts be considered property under Section 4 of the Theft Act? The issue on possession is, did the Royal College of Surgeons have possession under Section 5 of the Act? And the issue on judicial directions is whether the trial judge's direction that the college was in lawful possession prejudiced the defence. The judgment can be split into 2 parts. The first is convictions which are upheld. Whilst a corpse in itself is not normally property, body parts become property if skill is applied to them, such as dissection, preservation, or preparation for teaching. Possession under Section 5 means actual control, not necessarily lawful possession, and the judge's reference to lawful possession, though unnecessary, did not prejudice the jury. Moving on to sentences reduced, the offences were serious enough to warrant a custody given public repugnance and potential deterrent effect on body donation, but the sentences were lowered. Kelly was reduced to 3 months and immediate imprisonment, and Lindsay was reduced to 2 months and suspended for 2 years given his youth and influence by Kelly. The significance of this case is that it established that human body parts can be considered property for theft if altered by skill. It clarified that possession in theft law means factual control, not necessarily lawful control. However, it raised unresolved questions. Whether human body parts might count as property even without alteration, for example through transplant or DNA. And that's my summary of notes on R.V. Kelly, 1999. Follow for more case notes.